Hello guys, it's me and Mom. Do you know what's behind me? You don't know? I'll show you. My Yellow makeover design. It was from my birthday when I went. You have to go to Happy's house to give them the food, and they gave me the soap supplies. I know you really want. We got this baby school scissors. And we're going to open them up. So let's go. And we're going to open the 14 supplies. Let's get started.
Those are the brushes.
A glue bottle. This is a glue bottle. It's a bottle. It's a bottle. It's for face mask.
It's face mask.
And we got a shirt.
A shirt.
This is a coat for Mallow to wear.
Okay, next.
This is a little tiny skirt. Another short. These are shorts. These are shorts. Shorts. We have elastic band for your hair. We're gonna do that one. Oh, we got another shirt. And here's a brush. And here's some shoes.
Okay.
This is a hairspray. This is an Allen.
Show everyone, please.
And oh my God! She is bald hair and she has none of her clothes. And she is like.
Okay.
This is like so good. Okay. Hello guys, it's me, Mom. So these are the stuff I got. Now I'll show you how to play with these. Let's get started. Hello guys, it's me, Mom. Today we're going to do this LOL surprise dolls. I'm going to show you how to do it. 3, 2, 1, let's get started. I will show you how to play this game. So, this is a lazy Susan. You spin it around. And these are the glitters and fuzz. And these are the tools. These are the tools.
Okay.
So this is a globe. These are hearts. They have symbols. This is unlock. This is lock. And the same thing as here. And this
Okay,
is...
so it opens up and it has the hearts. With the hearts you can lock and unlock them.
Yeah, so this, and you can spin it. This is the black color, black fuzz, black glitter.
Okay, so this is the black fuzz and the black glitter.
I was organizing them.
Yeah.
And this is teal fuzz, turquoise fuzz, and turquoise glitter.
Okay.
And so this is gold.
Okay.
The rare one.
A rare one.
And these are stuck pink glitter, pink thingy, pink designs, and pink fuzz. So we're now going to move these hearts. So we're going to put all these dolls inside. So now let's get started. First, let's dress Kitty up because I named her Kitty. So let's dress Kitty up. Now I'm gonna get my dolls refitted and get fitted. So let's get started. So first we're going to put her headband, and next for the purple mask because I know she likes purple. So Kitty is really excited to put her face mask on. She didn't have her face mask for one time, and her sister Ivy got it in her face mask for one time. Now it's her first time. Let's get started. This is a sticker. So we're going to do this face mask massage, and we're going to do a glitter and fuzzy bath. And Mom is gonna tell which color she wants. But first she has to tell fuzzy or glitter.
I want to see how fuzzy looks. So I want teal or turquoise fuzzy.
Okay, turquoise fuzzy.
Half of it.
And now you have to put that doll inside. This is me, Mom. Now we're going to spin her. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, let's stop it now. Ooh, that's pink fuzz.
Well, let's just do some more. She's not showing the color. Oh my God, you are right, Mom. She is all turquoisey.
Is she?
Yep. I'm going to brush all this off her.
I always say pink fuzz. It's turquoise fuzz. And let's show the LOL doll. How does she look?
She looks really fabulous.
She's all turquoisey.
It looks more better when you add glitter because it stays there.
Yeah, so let's clean her.
Hello guys, this is me, Mom. So now you see these two LOLs can fit in these hearts. So let's get started. So we're going to do black. And we're going to do the gold one.
You want to mix it?
Yeah. Oh. This is me, Mom. Now it's time to do the countdown. And 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to open up the reveal what the dolls are looking like.
Ooh. Let's brush them off first.
Take them out.
Yes. So let's take them out like that.
Look at her hair.
Oh, she looks so cute.
And it's getting everywhere of us.
Yeah.
If they can have a mask, we can do a mask.
And now they're going to sit here.
And we're gonna clean them.
And so guys, since we have made a new
Color. It's a
color.
B color.
It's not gold or
black. So we made it a B color. So let's get started.
So we have decided to put it in a new container. This is like a container from a different toy we have. So our black and gold glitter is in this new container
This
now.
is a ring. Hey guys, hello guys, it's Nima. We're going to do the confetti now. We didn't do this for ages. So in this container is the B color. Let's get started. And we're going to do a little bit of glitter. My mom closed it, so now we're going to mix it. Hello guys, it's me, Mom. Now we're going to look what the dolls look. Oh, she is so cool and cute. Look at guys.
Look at her and her.
And I'm gonna check on this container.
And now, whatever's left in this container, we're going to put in this globe. We're going to put that in a new container.
I hope you like this video, and I hope the mean girls like it, or the mean girls, we don't care if they do the thumbs down or thumbs up.
Okay.
And like and subscribe. Goodbye.